Hi, my name's Malia Fazzio, and I've just passed my 2-year anniversary with Eliminate Chaos. I retired from corporate America almost 4 years ago to find better balance and more purposeful activities in my life. I'm not sure I really knew what that meant, but I did know that I needed a different path or journey. I began to find balance in my life, found that I enjoyed seeing more immediate results in anything that I took on, and solving problems brought joy. Whether that was tending to my raspberry bushes, apple trees, or helping family members handle life milestones. Laura and Eliminate Chaos came into my life about a year later, and through discussions with her, I found that I could have balance and find purpose by taking my experience and knowledge and working with individuals to improve their businesses. A few of the projects I've been involved in have been helping clients set up and organize their business or life in OneNote, helping clients look at their business and streamline processes so that they are more productive in their work, and helping clients organize their customer information and implement Suite CRM, a customer relationship management tool. A great day for me is when you see a business owner smile or feel relieved because they've learned a new skill, tip, or tool that will make them more productive. A great day for me is when you hear them say, "Thank you," with such sincerity because they realize that they'll be able to spend more time with their clients instead of fighting with a system or spending too much time on administration. A great day for me is when I leave a client and I feel that we work together to solve a problem that makes their life and business better. I've been married for 26 years to a great life partner, and I have 2 wonderful boys who I've been able to spend more time with these last 4 years. When I'm not working, you will find me hiking, tending to the many items on our farm, or volunteering with Swerve Robotics, the nonprofit that we started last summer. I look forward to hearing about your business challenges and working with you to make your life more productive and stress-free.
So Malia, tell me about a favorite client project that you've worked on.
That would have to be a client who is sole proprietor, and she wants to grow, but she needs a lot of help to get her better processes, more systems in place so she has scalable business and something that she can collaborate with other individuals that she needs to work with. So I went in and helped her with OneNote, installing OneNote. We took a look at her calendar because she has multiple clients today, and she has an assistant that she needed to work with and be able to collaborate on her calendar. So we helped with that. But her big thing was project management, because each one of these clients, she's having to project manage regular schedules, monthly newsletters, various different things like that. So we installed Asana, which you know, which I love.
Yes.
And so we helped her on that as well. We're looking at her client management to figure out how to install probably Suite CRM for her, as well as a time management. So it was a great project because it was a big project, but also because you can see how all these tools will help her really grow her business and start to become more than just a sole proprietor.
Right. It actually uses a lot of the tools that we use in our office.
Yes, and which is really fun for me because I can work with her, showing her things that we do here, and how, like for example, I have my OneNote set up, so I could walk her through showing her all of those examples, and she really connected the dots and understood how she could start to use that for herself. Asana, with our project management, she could connect to that too really well. So it was really fun showing her a lot of things that we do.
And don't you find that with a lot of the smaller businesses that we work with, that they they just don't have the kind of that background in, what tools they should be using in their business, how they all integrate and work together,
Yes.
and then, how to really make them work and implement them for their business.
Very much so. And a lot of these sole proprietors, small businesses are really focused on the business, meaning they're working with the clients, they're engaged with getting their day-to-day activities done, and don't necessarily have the knowledge or the understanding of how to put these tools in place and take the business and apply them to those tools and bring them together. And so they need help to be able to do that and get them to focus more with the clients and spending less time on the administration or delayed because the processes aren't working, various things like that. So it really does help them to bring the business with the tool at the end of the day.
And I think that that's part of what makes you so unique with our clients is that you have that background to look at how the business operates and then how to use those tools to make things work better for our clients.
Very much so. And a lot of that comes from working inside companies for so many years of helping them improve their own business, and understanding the full life cycle, everything from a marketing to a sales to a support to all different aspects of running a business internally. And you can take that down to a sole proprietor or you can scale it up to a large company. But being able to look at their business and really understand how to use the tools appropriately to really streamline their businesses and really get them connected to a more productive environment at the end of the day.
Well, that was a nice little segue into my next question, which was, what unique skills do you bring to our clients that eliminate chaos, which I know you just touched on a little bit. Maybe you can elaborate a little bit more.
Yeah, I think it's really being able to go in and listen to the individual or the company on what issue that they're trying to solve, and me being able to understand that business issue and then figuring out how to take any particular tools. Could be a software, it could be a process, it could be just mapping things out for them so it's more visual for them and understand how to streamline it. And I have that background in tools and in process development as well as process streamlining, and being able to really help them understand how to bring the two of them together and really improve their business at the end of the day.
Good. So how about something fun that you want people to know about you outside of work? Things that you enjoy?
Probably, I just recently signed up to do a half marathon.
Wow, I didn't even know that.
The goal is in December.
Okay.
But I've just started running again. I used to run, but I quit a while back, and now I've started running again. How I jumped to a half marathon versus a 5K or 10K, I'm not quite sure. Probably my husband's influence. But I'm now running with my dog. I have a Chow Golden Retriever mix, and he's my running partner. So I spend time right now trying to train to do my half marathon. And enjoy the trail running mostly right now, but I'm looking forward to doing the half marathon in December.
Wow, good for you.
Thanks.
It's a great goal.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks, Malia.
Thank you.